Okay. Hello, Nil, Yasmin, and Nazlı, Shamil. They are trying to connect now. Yasmin, did you go to school today? Hello, Nazlı, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Are you ready for class?
Yes.
Did you go to school today, Nazlı?
No, I was online. Yesterday I did go to school.
Oh, you went to school yesterday. So how many days are you going to
Yes.
school in a week? 2 or 3?
What do you mean?
How many days do you go to school in a week?
Can you repeat? Oh, 3.
3 days. What days? Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Good. All right. Very good. Okay.
We also go to school, but we go to school on like
No,
Wednesday.
no. I go not to Friday. I go on Thursday. And on
all right.
Friday I'm online.
But we go like 2 times, and like in 1 week we go 2 times. We go in Wednesday, and we also go in a Friday. And tomorrow I'm gonna go to school. So
I see. All right. Nazlı, where is Shamil?
I think he's connecting to the audio.
Why?
I
Because
will now tell him.
So are you in the same room or in different rooms now, Nazlı?
What?
Are
No,
you in
we
the
are
same room with
not in
Shamil
the
or in
same
different
room.
rooms? Huh?
We're in different rooms.
Really?
Yes.
But in the same house, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay then, Nazlı, if you're ready, let's start. I don't know, Shamil has a bad internet connection. He's trying, but he cannot get connected.
I'll go check him.
All right. Actually, we were solving these questions from Sasmo 2013, primary 3 and 4. And how many questions we did? Actually, we just did until here. Okay. So from here, we will continue. Today is 23rd of February, right? All right. Okay. So Nazlı, can you read the question? And Nazlı, did you solve any question from this paper on Saturday or Sunday? Or you were super busy with your school or whatever? Huh, Nazlı? Hello, Nazlı, where are you?
I'm here.
Did you solve any questions from this paper? Since our last meeting, did you have time to do any questions or you didn't do anything?
Mr. Kazim, may I please 1 second go and drink water?
Yes. Okay. Nazlı, read the question.
A, B, C are different numbers to be chosen for the set from the set 4, 7, 8, 10. Find the difference between the largest and smallest value of A multiply B divided by C.
Okay, now Nazlı, we are multiplying A by B and C. We are choosing these numbers from this set, right? And let's say the largest number I denote by L and the smallest number by S. How do you get the largest number? What must be the value of A, B, and C to be the largest?
I think we must multiply 8 by 10 and divide it
divide
by
by?
4.
Very good.
4.
Because we are dividing, right? Numerator must be the biggest, denominator must be the smallest. So 8 times 10 is 80 over 4. So that is equal to 20. And how about for the smallest value? What must be the value of A, B, and C?
8 and 7 7 multiplied by 8 divide by 4.
No, for the smallest. Numerator must be
No,
the smallest, denominator must be the biggest, right?
shouldn't it be like 4 multiplied by 7 and then
4
divide
multiplied
by 10?
by 7, yes, and divide
Yes.
by 10.
Yes.
So 28 over 10, that's equal to 2.8. But in the question, it
Yes.
says find the difference, right? So what is the difference? That is largest minus smallest. That is 20 minus 2.8. So that's equal to 17.2. The answer is
Yes.
17.2. Good. Next question. Given on the right is a series of numbers following a specific pattern. 1, 2 refers to the number in the first row, second column, right? Because the first number represents the row, the second one is column. So that means the first row, second column means we mean here 4, right? What is the question? What is a number in 10, 2? That means a 10th row, second column. And this one is a first row, second row, third, and fourth, right? If I just continue here, okay, until
do we do it like that, right? Okay. Okay. For 6 more rows.
We have to do 6 more, like.
Yeah, I will do more. This one is
Just
1,
do we do
2,
this like
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more I will do later. Okay.
57.
So now it is 30. What will be the next number here? 24 plus 27 plus 3, it is 30, right? And after that, we should add 2, right? Here we have 32, 34, 36. And now add 3, 39, 42, 45. And because here we are just adding, what is it? 6 plus 3, right? And 15 plus 2. 21 plus 3, 30 plus 2, 36 plus 3, and 45 plus 2. It is 47, 49, and 52. Now plus 3. It is 55, 58, and 61. If I continue, I need 2 more rows, right? 2 more. That is 2 more. Okay, this will be 9th row. This will be 10th row. So it is 52 plus 3, 61 plus 2, 63, 65, 67. Now plus 3, it is 70, 73. It says that the 10th row, second column, right? So the answer is, what is it? 73.
Yes.
Yeah, this one's easy.
Good. All right, so
Other
this is
one.
how we do this. How about the next question? And again, there's a small mistake here. Let me correct this. In terms of pi. Okay, Neil, can you read the question first?
Yes. A circle once. Okay, so my brother was screaming. So a circle with a certain zero is incredible.
Not zero, the center O, center O.
Oh, center. Okay.
Does it look like
circle with a.
zero? Huh?
I thought it was 0. That's why.
How about now? Does it look like O?
Yes. Okay. A circle with an O is engraved in a square A B C D.
Inscribed, inscribed.
inscribed in a square ABCD as shown in the figure. In the perimeter of square ABCD is 16 centimeters. Find the area of the circle in the centimeter of 2. Give your answer in the term of a number.
Pi.
Pi.
You know what is pi? We know that if you are given a circle, right? Pi is a constant number, right? Pi is approximately equal to 3.142. And suppose that this is a circle and it's a radius. Now, how do you find the area of the circle? It is pi r squared, right? And how about the circumference, the length of the circle? That is 2 pi r. But in this question, we are talking about the area. Here it says that the perimeter of the square is 16 centimeters. And how do you find the perimeter of the square? It is 4 times side length, right? Let's say side length is A. So that's equal to 16. Now from here, what is A? A is equal to 4 centimeters. That means that one side of the square is 4, right? All sides are, what is it? 4. So now if I just draw here, right, a line that passes through the center of the circle, right? And we know that that is a radius, and also this one is the radius. And 2 radii is equal to one side of the circle. That's our first observation. The second one is r plus r, that's equal to 4. That means that what is r? R should be equal to 2 centimeters, right? Because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So now I know the radius of the circle. What is the question? It says find the area of the circle in square centimeters. So the area of the circle is pi r squared. What is r? Is equal to 2. So here we have pi times 2 squared. That's equal to 2 squared is 4. So that's equal to 4 pi square centimeters. So the area of the circle is 4 pi square centimeters. Okay, Yasmin, did you understand?
Yeah, I understood this. At first I was confused, but I got it. I'm just copying it down.
Okay, Yasmin, then if you understood now, can you try to solve this question? I will give you 2
Good.
minutes, okay? Find the area of the given figure and leave your answer in R. Or leave your answer in A,
What do you mean? Oh,
in
okay.
terms of A.
Okay.
You have 2.5 minutes. Shamil, how are you?
I'm fine.
Did you understand this question, Shamil?
Yes.
Can you read it?
If the given figure arc AOD represents a semicircle with center at 0, length of AB, where ABCD is a square, find the area of the given figure.
Okay, Shamil, one question for you. As I say here, ABCD is a square, right? It says ABCD is a square.
Yes.
That means that this side is equal to this side, is equal to this side, also is
Yes.
equal to this side. And we know that one side of the square is A, okay? If A is equal to A, what is A in terms of R? Is it equal to 2R?
Yes.
Because R plus R is equal to A, right? They have the same length. From here, can you tell me, Shannon, what is R in terms of A? What is R?
R is half of A.
A over 2, right?
Yes.
Or it's a half of A. That is half of A. Very good. Now, what is the question? Find the area of the given figure. Now, suppose that the area of this square is A. So the area of the semicircle is B. Okay. Shamil, another question for you. Suppose that we are given a semicircle. All right. And its radius is, okay, its radius is, let's say, it is R. What is the area of the semicircle?
It is uh,
1 over 2 times pi r squared, right? Because pi r squared
Yes.
area of a circle. And we say semicircle, we need to divide it by 2, or we should multiply by half. All right. Now, Shamil, actually others are also trying. Let just tell me, what is capital A, Shamil? What is the area of the square? It is
Area
A
of the square is
times
A
A,
4
right?
times.
Because one side and multiply by another side, that's A
Oh,
times A.
yes, yes.
So that is
A
A
times A.
squared. Now, can you tell me what is the area of B? 1 over 2 times pi times r squared, right? And what is our r? R is 1 over 2a here. So that is 1 over 2a squared. Now, if you simplify this, 1 over 2 times pi times 1 squared, it is 1. 2 squared, it is 4. A squared, it is a squared. Now, if you simplify this, 1 over 2 times 1 over 4, 1 over 8. Here we have pi a squared. Now the last one, what is the question? Find the area of the given figure, right? Area of the given figure is a plus b. And what is capital A? That is a squared. And capital B, that's equal to 1 over 8 pi a squared. So that is the area of the given figure in terms of A. Okay, Nazlı, Yasmin, did you understand? Sadiq, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
I did understand.
Good. Okay, let's move to the next question.
Understand.
How about this? Can you read it? And Sadiq, can you read the question and explain to us what do you understand from this question? And we'll discuss together and also solve it together.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yes, Sadiq, read the question.
Yes. Let A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H be a cuboid such that AB equals to 10 centimeters, BC equals to 2 centimeters, BF equals to 5 centimeters. How many cubes of length one of 2 centimeters would be required to fill the cuboid?
Did you understand this, Sadiq? Here you have small cubes, right? And here you have a big box. And suppose that maybe you have a big box and you're going to fill this with small biscuit boxes. And your box is the small one, all right, the small one. And then in cube shape, it is something like this. Right? And one side is 1 over 2. And this side is 1 over 2. And this side is 1 over 2. Right? So I'm going to put this kind of boxes inside this. I'm going to make this full with this kind of boxes. The question is, how many such small cubes I can put into this box? Yes, Neil, what do you think? How do I answer this question?
I'm not that sure, but
Now, if I
maybe
just put here, for example, if I put here, right here, let's say the bottom in this length, how many such boxes I can put?
like 1 second, 1 boxes.
How many? Since its length is 10 centimeters and the length of
10.
our small box is half, right? So that means that 10 centimeter is equal to 20 times 1 over 2 centimeters, right? So that means that here in length, I can put 10 boxes here, 20 boxes here. Because each one is half, it is half, 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 half. Since its length is 10 centimeters, how many? I can put 20. Because 20 times half, that's equal to 10 centimeters. Now the length is full. And how about the width? If you just look at the width, right? How many boxes I can put here? So it is 4, right? Because 4 times 1 over 2, that's equal to 2. And how about the height?
10.
It is 5, so that is 10 times 1 over 2. Now, how many boxes I can find? To find this one, I should multiply these numbers, right? In length, we have 20. In width, we have 4. In height, we have 10, which is equal to how many? 800 cubes. Okay, Sadiq, did you understand?
Yes.
All right, that's it. Very simple question. Guys, any questions? If you have no question, let's move to the next question. If you didn't understand any step, let me know. Yes.
I have a question. In the part where it said 2 centimeters, you made it to 4. Oh, did you like, oh, how did you make 2 into 4?
No,
You
here
just
simple is
multiply.
like this. Here, Neil, the question is, if you have, let's say, what is it? It's something like this. For example, let's say windowsill or something, okay? The length of the windowsill is 2 centimeters. All right. And you're just going to put small books or something, whatever it is. Let's call this box. Okay, the length of one box is half centimeters. How many boxes can I put here? One put here, half centimeters, half centimeters, half centimeters, right? How many? 4, because each one is half, 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 half. How many?
Oh,
4. That's why actually I can put 4 here.
half
In
of 2. Oh, I
centimeters,
got
the length is half centimeters, so I can put here 20. Okay,
That's what I wanted to ask, but yeah, thank you for explaining.
good. All right. Yasmin, can you read this question and tell us how do we solve this question?
Okay. Given that C is bigger than 0, for how many values of A is the given product valid? I don't really get the question.
Here, what are A, B, C, Yasmin? These are digits, right?
Wait, yeah, they're numbers, right?
Maybe 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But also if we
Yeah.
have one condition here, C is not equal to 0. It's greater than 0.
Yeah.
That means that
Yeah.
what are the possible values of C? Maybe it is 1 or 2 or 3 or until 9, right?
Yeah.
So now it says that for how many values of B is the given product valid? Okay. Now if you
What is that?
if you look at this number, B is multiplied by A is equal to B. B
Yeah.
is multiplied by A is equal to B, right? So what do you think about the value of A? What are
It's
these numbers?
probably 1, right? Because you
1, right?
multiply
So A is, it should be equal to 1. So if
Yeah.
A is equal to 1, then what actually we can write for B? For B, I can write maybe 1, right? Because 1 times 1 is 1. Or maybe I
Yeah.
can write 2. 2 times 1 is 2. I can write here 3. I can write
Any number.
4. But another question is, can I write 5 or not? What do you think?
No,
Can I
because
write
Yes.
5
it
or not?
turns out to be 5, no? Because
No.
it turns out to be 5, right?
Can
B
B be 5 or not? Yes or no?
No, because B times C is going to be 5 in a way. So it can't be 5.
You mean B
Unless
plus, right? Here it's plus, right? We are adding here.
oh yeah, yeah,
Multiply,
sorry,
we
sorry.
multiply
So it
because
can't
here
be
B plus C is equal to
is
5. And we say
um,
that C is greater than 0. That means at least 1. So if it is 1, B maximum can be 4, right? It cannot
4.
be equal to 5 because otherwise 5 plus 1 something, it will be 6. So B cannot be 5. That means that B can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. How many? Only 4 possible answers.
Can it be 4?
Yes, of
can
course.
be 4,
If
3,
B is
2.
equal to
Because
4, then C is equal to 1. Okay?
I yes. But may we do one more question? Because I'm not sure if I understood or not, but I think I did.
Okay. And let's do this together. And 25, I will ask you to do 25. Okay. Shamil. Shamil Madatov, are you there?
Yes.
Read the question, Shamil, for
Yes.
us.
If BD is a diagonal in a rectangle ABCD where AB equals 10 and AD equals 5 and AE equals 2, FC equals 4, as shown in the figure, find the value of area of triangle AED divided by area of triangle BED plus area of triangle BCF divided by area of triangle BFD.
So the area of AED, let's say this A over B plus C over D. Before I solve this, Shamil, let me ask you one question. Suppose that we are given a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. And this one is B and this one is H. What is the area here? How do you find the area? What is the area of this triangle?
B multiplied by H and divided by 2.
Very good. That's just 1 over 2 times base times height, right? And this is how we find the triangle. And also, if I'm given this kind of triangle, for example, let's say something like this, right? And this one is base. And how about the height? Height is this, right? So this one is H. Again, the area is equal to 1 over 2 times base times height. Now using this one, Shamil, can you tell me the area of A? What is A? Shamil, wake up.
Yes,
What is capital A, Shamil?
capital A,
Yeah, this one, this
is
area. What is it?
AED.
1 over
It's
2 times base, it is 2 times height, it is 5.
It's
That's
5.
equal to 5, right? Because this is a right angle triangle. Okay. Neil, next question is for you. Neil, what is the length of BE?
EE or
BE.
ED? B.
BE. What is the length of BE?
Oh, what we should do? Multiply.
I'm asking a question. What is the length of BE?
The answer or what we should do? Because if it's what we should do, we should.
If
pretty
somebody
sure
asks you a
put-
question, what do you do, Neil? You answer the question. I'm asking a question. You should answer the question. I'm asking, what is the length of BE?
um, we should. I'm not sure what you mean.
Sadiq, can you see
Plus?
BE? What is the length of BE?
Yes.
Can you see BE?
Yes, I can.
Here we have B and here we have E, right? In the question, it says that AB is equal to 10 and AE is equal to 2. Then what is BE? It is 8. Oh my gosh. Now, Sadiq, did you understand why is it 8?
Yes,
Still, you didn't get it.
because AB as 10, and if we minus 10 by 2, 10 minus 2, it's 8.
Yeah, that's it. And now, if you understood this, Sadiq, tell me, what is the length of DF?
DF, okay. DF,
Oh, Sadiq. 10 minus 4, it is 6. What are you thinking about? 10 minus 4 is 6. That's it. It's a rectangle, right? Opposite sides are equal. Is that right?
yes.
So, what are you thinking about, Sadiq?
I don't know, I just mix.
Okay, now Sadiq, tell me, what is the area of B? Can you see B? I'm talking about this B. What is the area
Yes.
of B? It's a triangle, right? So first I need to write 1 over 2. What is its base?
Okay, what I'll do it.
Base is 8,
B.
right? BE.
Yes.
B, actually we are talking about BDE. And how about the height?
B.
Height is also 5, which is equal
Yes.
to 8 over 2 is 4. 4 times 5, it is 20 centimeters squared.
And then
Tell
divide
me,
by
what is
2?
C? Huh, Sadi, what did you say?
Nothing. C,
Yasmin, what is C? Yasmin, first tell me, what is BC? What is the length of BC?
Mister, can I say the C1?
Yeah, what is BC? First tell me, what is the length of BC? It is 5, right?
Yes.
Because also this side is
5
5.
multiplied 5 multiplied by 4, it's 20. And then divide by 2.
Okay, 1/2 times 4 times 5, that's equal to 10. So because we need to find this sum, right? A is equal to 5, and B is equal to 20, and C is equal to 10. Now we need to find D. What is D? Again, 1/2
D.
times base is
6 multiplied by 5, 30, 15.
15. So here we have 15. So we have to simplify this. Let me continue here. Okay, equals 5/20 divided by 5. It is 1/4 plus 10/5. Simplify. Actually, numerator and denominator we can divide by 5. It is 2/3. So Sadiq, what is the common denominator? 12. 1 times 3, it is 3. 2 times 4, it is 8. So the answer is 11/12. Dot, dot, dot. Therefore, the answer is 11/12. Okay, Nazlı. Are you sleeping already, Nazlı? Why are you so quiet? Huh, Nazlı?
Um,
Nazlı, I have one question for you. Are you ready?
okay. Yes.
But you have to answer the question in 5 seconds, okay?
I'll try.
Okay. Nazlı, in a room, there are 4 corners. All right. On each corner, there is 1 cat. Each cat has 5 kittens. Altogether, how many cats and kittens are there in a room? 1, 2, 3, 4.
24.
24. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Good, good. That means that you are not sleeping now. Good. Let's continue then. Okay, Nazlı, read the question.
ABCD is a square park where AB equals 100 meters. Shaded area represents the grass, and the solid areas presents the congruent squares of concrete. If EF equals 5 meters, what is the ratio of area covered by grass to the covered by concrete?
Concrete means it's like a...
This is pretty simple.
Yeah.
I must just multiply 5 meters by 5 meters. That what is 55?
What? 55 or 25?
25, sorry. I mixed up numbers. And I must multiply it by 4. And then I must find area of the shaded of the square, the big square, and minus the...
That is 100 by 100, right? That is 10,000.
Yes.
Right? So now if we just shade it, actually that's the area of the square, actually. It's the area of the square. Now the area of the shaded region, what is it? 10,000, right? And minus 425, that is 4 times 25. 4 times 25 is 100. 10,000 minus 100, that is 9900. So what is the question? What is the ratio of the area covered by grass to the covered by concrete? Covered by grass, where the ratio, this shaded region, that is 9900. And covered by concrete is 25, 25, 25, 25, that is 100. Now zeros, why we can just cancel them. So the ratio
Yeah.
is 99 to 1. Some students, they just write 99, but actually it's about asking about the ratio, right? So you need to write your answer as the ratio. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay. Neil, you should answer this question. Read it and answer the question and explain how you do it. Okay, I think she's not there. Shamil, are you there?
Yes.
Read the question, Shamil, and explain.
Andy's current age is 40. 5 years from now, his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his two sons, Mike and Rick. If Mike is 3 years older than Rick, then what is Rick's current age?
Okay. And his current age is 40. Okay, now we are talking about three people, right? Here we have Andy and Mike and Rick. Okay, so now we are talking about the year eight. Okay, so let's say it is
Mr.
now, all right, and it says how many years ago? 5 years from now. 5 years from now. Okay, in the future, right? It is now and after 5 years. 5 years later. So it says that Andy's current age is 40. Now he is 40 years old. After 5 years, he will be 40 plus 5, 45, right? So it says that 5 years from now, his age will be equal to the sum of the age of his two sons. All right, Mike and Rick. If Mike is 3 years older than Rick, what is Rick's current age? Okay, so the current age is,
It's
yes. Look, Mike
45.
is 3 years
Doesn't-
older than Rick. I don't know Rick's age. Let's say it is X. Then Mike will be X plus 3, right? After 5 years, so he will be X plus 3 plus 5, 8. How about Rick? He will be X plus 5 years. Now it says that 5 years from now, his age will be equal to the sum of their age. So this 45 will be equal to the sum of Mike's age, that's X plus 8, and Rick's age, it is X plus 5. Now here, take this 8 plus 5 is 13, take to the left-hand side, 45 minus 13. And X plus X, that's equal to 2 times X, 2X. 45 minus 13, that's equal to 32. And here we have 2 times X. 2 times what number is 32? So X should be 16, right? So X should be 16. So what is the question here? What is Rick's current age? Rick's current age is X, right? And what is X? 16. So dot, 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 Rick is 16 years old now. All right. Okay. Next question. Who is not? Sadiq, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Sadiq, can you turn on your camera
Yes.
if there is nobody around you? Yes, Sadiq.
Yes, do you see me now?
Oh, Sadiq, it is you. Even I forgot your face for a long time. I didn't see your face. Huh? Are you still at the beach or you already came back home?
No, I went to San Francisco.
So now you are joining this class from San Francisco.
Yes.
Okay. If you meet my nephew, say hi to him, all right? He lives there. Okay, Sadiq, read the question.
Yes. A third by 3 A 3 by 3 grid contains 9 numbers. Each number is half to obtain the number on the left. Each number is multiplied by 1 out of 1
Multiplied by 1 over 3.
yes, 1 over 3 to obtain the number above. If the sum of the number is 182, what is the number in the top right corner?
Okay, now here, that is not that simple question, but not so difficult question. So here we are talking about, Sadiq, what is it? 3 by 3 grid, right? So that contains
Yes.
9 numbers. First, let's just draw our grid quickly, okay? So that is my 3 by 3 grid. And that's the first row, and that's the second row. And that's the first column, and that's the second column, all right? Now it says that each number is halved to obtain the number on the left. All right. So that means that if I divide this by 2, this number, I get this number. Divide by 2, I get this number. All right. So each number is multiplied by 1 over 3 to obtain the number above. All right. So if the sum of the numbers is 182, what is the number in the top right corner? Okay. So suppose that actually I'm just all right, this one is dividing by 2, I get this number. Divide by 2, I get this number. If it is x, this must be 2x, this must be 4x. Okay, so suppose that this number is 4x. Let me just start from the first part, okay? Each number is halved to obtain the number on the left. So if it is 4x, what is half of 4x? It is 2x. What is half of 2x? That's equal to x, right? Now each number is multiplied by 1 over 3 to obtain the number above. So that means that here, if I multiply this number, let's say by 1 over 3, I get this one. That means that if I multiply this 3 by this, I will get this number. That means that to obtain, if I just actually read from in the opposite direction, each number is multiplied by 1 over 3 to obtain the number above, right? If it is 4x, what number is multiplied by 1 over 3 gives us 4x? That is 12x, right? Because 1 over 3 times 12x is equal to 4x. Just I need to get multiply this by 3. And 12 times 3, here it should be 36. To get the number on the left, I should multiply by 1 over 2. 1 over 2 times 12, that is 6x. 1 over 2 times 6x is equal to 3x. Now here 36x, 1 over 2 times 36, that is 18. Here we have 18x, and 1 over 2 times 18, that's equal to 9x. As you see here, if I multiply 36 by 1 over 3, I get 12. 12 times 1 over 3, I get 4, right? Half of 4, it is 2x. Half of 2x, it is x. Half of 12, it is 6. Half of 6, it is 3. So in the question, it says that the sum of the numbers is 182. That means that x plus 2x plus 4x, here we have, what is it? 7x. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 12, it is 21x. 9 plus 18, 27. 27 plus 36, 50. It is 63x. Now, if you add them, 7 plus 1, 28. 88, it is 91x. So all of this, the sum of all of these numbers is equal to 182. So what is x then? X is equal to 182 over 9. That's equal to 91. That's equal to 2. So what is the question? What is the number in the top right corner? Top right corner is 4x. So the top right corner is 4 times x, which is equal to 4 times 2. That's equal to 8. Dot, dot, dot. The answer is 8. Sadiq, did you understand a little bit?
No.
Sadiq, how old are you? Were you born in 2010 or 2009?
9. In our school, we are learning the like cuboid shapes. How to find, like, to multiply them? We're learning that.
You mean how to find the volume?
Yes, volume of cuboid.
Okay. All right. Okay, Sadiq, this question, all right, maybe when you have time, have a look at the question. Okay, draw a grid, okay, and try one more time. Okay, but sometimes when somebody explains, you may not understand fully, and read the question again. Try yourself, okay, and you have more idea, because I'm explaining this. If you do not solve this question yourself later, and that means that you cannot learn just by listening. Okay, Sadiq. Maybe tomorrow read the question again and look at the solution and how we are solving this. Okay, and I hope you get some idea. All right. Let's move to the next question. I have three more questions. And Sadiq, can you read the question?
Yes, a square is divided into three concurrent rectangles as shown in figure first. If the middle rectangle is
Okay, continue, Sadiq.
yes, if the middle rectangle is rearranged to form figure 2, what is the ratio of the perimeter of the figure first to the perimeter of figure 2?
Okay. So let's say the perimeter of the first one is P1 and perimeter of the second figure is P2. What is the question? We need to find P1 to P2, the ratio, right? So a square is divided into three congruent rectangles as shown in figure 1. If the middle rectangle is rearranged to form figure 2, what is the ratio of the perimeter of figure 1 to the perimeter of figure 2? Okay, here the side of this square can be anything, Shamil, the Sadiq. So when I just divide this by 3, also it's a whole number. Just you can substitute any number here because here we are finding the ratio, right? Suppose that one side of the square is 6 and also this side is 6. At the time, the length of, the width of this rectangle will be 2. It is 2 and 2, right? And also this will be 2 and 2 and 2. And how do you find the perimeter of the first square? It is just 4 times side length is equal to 6. So that's equal to 24 centimeters. Now I'm going to find the perimeter of the second one. Okay. Since one length is 6, so this should be 6. And that is 2. This also 2.
Mr.
Yes.
I have a question. How did you get 4?
Which 4?
You multiplied 4 by 6.
Now, how do you find the perimeter of the square, Sadiq? If this one is, let's say,
Plus,
this one is 6, 6, 6, 6, right? And perimeter is equal to 4 times side
6 and
length.
4. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now here, this side also should be 2. Also that is 2. And this should be 6. And also this is 6. And this one is 2. Also this is 2. And this is also 2. This also 2. And this one is 6. Now I will just count. How many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4,
8.
5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 8 2's. 8 times 2. And how many 6? 1,
4.
2, 3, 4. So that is 4. 4 times 6. So that's equal to 8 times 2 is 16. 4 times 4 times 4 is 24. So the sum is 4. So the ratio P1 to P2 is P1 is 24 and P2 is 40, right? And both numbers are divisible by 8. 24 is divided by 8, it is 3. 40 is divided by 8, it is 5. So the ratio is 3 to 5. Okay, Sadiq.
I have one question.
Yes.
In perimeter 2, yes, you multiplied 8 by 2, then 4 multiplied by 6 and plus. Where did you get 8 multiplied by 2?
No, here we need to find the perimeter, right? The perimeter means the length of the boundary, right? So I'm just adding
Yes.
this 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus, first I'm just adding these 2's, plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many 2's? 8. 8
Yes.
times 2 is 16. And after that, I'm adding the length, which are 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay.
Yes, you multiply 8 by 2, you got 16. Then you multiply 4 by 6.
24.
Yes.
And together, they just give us the perimeter of figure 2.
Yes, understood.
Good.
24.
Next question. Nazlı, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Nazlı, can you read question 29?
In the zoo, there are 45 heads of monkey and lions. There are twice as many monkeys as lions. How many lions are there?
Okay, we have monkeys and lions, right? And the 45 heads of monkey and lions together. So there are twice as many monkeys as lions. So that means if lions, we have X, right? And how many monkeys? We have 2 times X.
I think there are, oh, yeah.
2x plus x, that's equal to 45 altogether. So 3x is equal to 45.
Oh, there are 15 lions.
Yes. So we have 15 lions, okay?
We must, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Next question.
Okay.
Nazlı, also can you read question 13?
Okay. In the group of 35 students, there are 9 girls more than boys. What's the number of girls?
Okay, altogether we have 35 students. There are 9 girls more than boys. What is the number of girls? Okay, so suppose that we have X girls. I'm going to find this. If we have more girls, Nazlı, can you tell me then how many boys do we have? X minus 9, right?
Yeah.
Because we have more girls than boys. By how much? By 9. So now from here, altogether we have 35. Boys, we have X minus 9. Girls, we have X. That's equal to 35. Now X plus X, that's equal to 2X. And 35, take 9 to the right-hand side. It is minus, it will be plus. So 2 times X, 35 plus 9, it is 44. Now what is X? 44 is divided by 2, 22. So in the class, we have 22 girls. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, Sadiq, Shamil, Nazlı, Nil, Yasmin, I think you're so tired. Okay, I have already shared this paper. Maybe one more time I will share. You need to practice these questions at home. At least have a look, come with ideas. We will go much faster. But every time, if you just go like this, it's fine, but we will go so slowly, okay? If you have some time, try to solve at least 10 questions until our next meeting. All right. Guys, thank you very much. Have a good night. I will see you. Sadiq, what is our next class? On Thursday or Friday?
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay, I will see you on Thursday. Okay? Okay, bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.